Hi guys, so it's the second day. It rained a bit in the night, but everything was covered up. But this board didn't get enough bend in it. This is a board I picked up from the workshop that I had before, and it's a little bit too thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the circle saw, and I'm going to take a bunch of cuts across the board, just a couple of millimeters in, less than halfway. So that's what I'm going to do now. Let's get into it. So that's all those cuts done, and it's starting to rain. But now you can see, now it's got the flex that we need. And we don't need to worry about all these cuts because they're going to be covered with another sheet of material. And that bends nicely. I don't want to bend it the other way because I think it'll probably snap still. This way, it'll be a better way to bend. So, I'm going to start screwing it on if the rain stops. I'm going to use my angle grinder to take a little bit off here where it meets the floor, so there won't be such a big step, even though there is going to be a metal threshold at the bottom. I'm just going to take a bit of that corner off. But it started raining, so I'm going to go inside because of the electricity. Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, so now I'm going to see how that board that I cut all those grooves in it, how it's going to bend to shape on the ramp. So let's see how that goes. No problem. sitting lovely. Very happy with that. Wonderful. I took a longer screw now than I used for the first layer, so I'll go through both layers and into the beams underneath. I'm drilling a pilot hole so it pulls it tight onto the previous layer. Oh, and I put some bits of wood behind the whole ramp so that when I'm pushing it doesn't keep sliding backwards. It's got some resistance against the building. I'm just going to take some short screws and connect the two layers together here. Wonderful. So this is I'm using birch plywood. It was the hardest thing I could find at the moment. And I'm countersinking these holes. I'm countersinking them because it's very hard material and the screw head won't pull into it. It'll probably just tear out the soft wood of the beam underneath. So now it's countersunk. Okay, so there we are. The ramp's completed. I'm happy with that. I think it came out really nice. Thank you very much to DIYskate.com for his plans. I really appreciate it, mate. Great plans. So I hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and if you want to see more of my content, ring that little bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.